Hi guys, I'm joined with two people, although they have no maybe Moogle, but they have no relevance to the elevator community. They're just here because I'm on the call with them. But
So I'm not an active elevator enthusiast, but I personally find elevators cool.
I am unboxing an elevator part. It's a part that I've been wanting a full, style of. Oh, I see it in there. And I bet I could just slowly slide this. Oh god, I can't. Oh my god. This is why I bought the big scissors. But you can already see what it's in it. Oh, it's double layered. I know you're supposed to open it from here, but the shipping label's right in front of it. Okay, now it should come out. Jeez. There we go. That's beautiful. Obviously, if you couldn't tell, this is a Monitor TR, everybody's favorite Long Island elevator fixture.
Of course it's a Monitor TR.
Now, if you guys don't know, I actually have two of these Series AY buttons, which are in much better condition of these buttons, which I'm probably going to replace. And I might buy another one of these panels, because there are multiple right now. But yeah, this fire thing reminds me of what happened at my school. But yeah, it's also surface mount, so I could put this up if I ever wanted to. I didn't know I had this little curve here. And then, yeah, this reminds me of my school would have had this, ripped apart thing. It's so usual. But yeah, tamper resistant. This panel could use a bit of cleaning. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean this up as much as I can and wire it. Because I'm pretty sure, actually, we didn't even see the back. There you go. Hopefully these have the amber lights. Let's see if they do. Yes, they do. It says amber on the contacts. And it also did come with the connections and some extra wires. So, yeah. Probably what I'm going to do is swap these buttons around a little bit. And, yeah. Pretty much what I'm going to do with this panel. I'm going to swap the buttons. Didn't actually come with screws, which is interesting, but I'm pretty sure I could provide my own. Or they were probably somewhere in this. They weren't. Yeah, but I could still probably provide something. So, yeah. I'm going to swap things around a little bit, wire it up. It should be good to go. Alright, well, after some trial and error, I managed to get this thing working. I have to press the top button to get it to work. It's a little finicky. But it's of course got the iconic yellow light that everybody likes. There's the up. Here's the down. The wiring on this is a complete joke, by the way, because the wire connectors here are really weird, so yeah. Probably tweak this up in the near future, but for now, this is what I have. And I have my other two monitor parts here, which Not really supposed to be meaning anything in this video, but for now it's just about this monitor TR call station that I took the old buttons off and replaced it with the newer ones, and I swapped some stuff around. It took me a couple hours, but it was all worth it in the end. Because I took the front caps and replaced it with the Janus monitor circuit boards. So that way it has the yellow lights on it with these really good in condition buttons, which I got separately along like a year ago. So yeah, that was the unboxing of my monitor TR1000 elevator call station. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, by the way, the mounting bracket's in the closet. I still have it, so yeah. And I found screws for it too, so yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. And monitor TR.